We are in the Passeig de Sant Joan of Barcelona, where the Castellers de la Sagrada Familia are performing a 3x7 on the Passeig. Looks very stable, I must say. We have the Aixecador in position, and the Anxaneta crowning the human tower, a 3x7 by the Castellers de la Sagrada Familia. We are in the center of Barcelona, 2011.